Welcome to Pavni Teachers. Today we came with a topic called data types in a C language. Data types in C language are used to declare variables or functions of different types. These variables determines how space it occupies in storage and how the bit pattern stored in the interpreted. Once again I'll say data types are used for declaring variables or the functions. And further we go. Here, data types are mainly classified into three types. One is primary, and next is derived, and last is user defined. In primary, there are four different data types. Those are int, char, and float, type void. We often call as void. And next one is derived. Derived means these data types were derived from primary data types and array and the pointer. These two are derived. And the last one, user defined. User defined means if a user want to own data type create, we often use this enumerated or type def or structure. Down it is missing, it is structure. And further we go with int data type. Int data type, it is used to store integer values in the range of 32,768 to plus 32,767. And this integer data type takes 2 bytes of memory. And the next one, char data type. Char data type is used to declare a variable which holds a single character and it occupies 2 bytes of memory, and the range of these character is minus 128 to 127. We use ASCII values in C language, and these are the ASCII values to store any character. We will discuss in further videos how we'll use this ASCII table, but for knowledge you can just go through this table. And the next one is float data type. Float data type, it is used to store fractional numbers. It takes 4 bytes of memory to store, and further this float is extended its range of 8 bits, that is called as double data type. And it can able to store 15 decimal places. That means like 12.0123456789101112, like that it stores 15 decimal places after a number. And further this double is extended to long double, which occupies the 10 bytes, and it can store 19 decimal places. And the type void data type. The void data type is not used for declaring any variable, but it is used for declaring a function. We morely see this when we are declaring main function, because it will not return any values. And the next, the red data types, as before I said, the red data types are originated from primary data types. And if we go to array, it is a collection of similar data types. That means if you want to store 1 to 10 numbers in a variable, we use array. Or if you want to store any name, like as if I want to store Pavani, Pavani, we use C of 6 is equal to Pavani. That means we are storing 6 characters in an array. And the next one is pointer. Pointer, it is used to store address of another variable. That means, for example, if I want to I already have a variable called int a equal to 10, and I want to store this address in another variable, then I'll use this pointer equal to ptr equal to hash trick a. I'll explain the examples in next video, but for this video you can get the knowledge of theoretical concepts. And the next one, structured data type. A structured data type is little opposite to the arrays. Array stores the similar value, similar data types, but where it comes to structured data types, it can store different data types. That means in a structure, it is user different structure. In a structure, we can store different data types. Here we can see in this structure student, there is integer value and character. That means we can store different data types in a single data type. Enumerated data type, it is also user defined data type. That means we'll give the data type will by the user and give the constant values. As here I mentioned in the examples, you can check here enum month. Enum is a keyword, and month I want to create as data type jan feb month, feb march, and this month will become the new data type now, and these will be the constants of this data type. Typed of data type, it is also user defined data type. We can create our own data type, and here is the syntax, you can check it. In the next video I would like to explain these data types, the int float char in the programming. Do subscribe to this channel to get more information. Thank you.